Every year, millions of seniors experience falls, often leading to serious injuries or a loss of confidence. But what if science could help prevent these falls and strengthen your legs at the same time? In today's video, we'll show you 6 research-backed exercises proven to reduce the risk of falling and improve balance, strength, and mobility in older adults. All the data you'll see today comes directly from research studies published in top medical journals. Why exercise matters for fall prevention. According to a major research study published in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society, exercise can significantly reduce fall rates by 17%. This conclusion was based on 44 clinical trials involving more than 9,600 participants. The study found that programs combining challenge and balance exercises and high total doses of training, over 50 hours during the trial period, showed the greatest reduction in falls. Interestingly, programs that did not include walking exercises but instead focused on balance and stability had the strongest results. Long-term benefits on balance and strength. Another research published in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society by Lord and colleagues, 1995, explained that exercise doesn't just prevent falls. It also improves sensorimotor function, reaction time, and muscle control. In their 12-month study, seniors who attended regular exercise sessions showed improvements in all 5 strength measures, as well as better neuromuscular control and reduced body sway. Although the overall number of falls wasn't statistically different between groups, participants who stayed consistent with their exercise program showed a clear trend toward fewer falls. 6 research-backed exercises to prevent falls. Based on multiple scientific studies, here are 6 types of exercises proven to strengthen your legs and improve balance, safely and effectively. Number 1. Tandem stance. Balance exercise. Stand with one foot directly in front of the other, heel touching toe. Hold for 10 to 20 seconds, then switch sides. This reduces your base of support and challenges your balance control. Number 2. One-leg stand. Stand near a stable surface like a wall or counter. Lift one foot slightly off the ground and hold your position for 10 seconds. This helps strengthen your ankle stabilizers and train balance reactions. Number 3. Side-to-side weight shift. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Slowly shift your weight from one leg to the other. This improves control of your body's center of gravity and builds hip and thigh strength. Number 4. Chair sit-to-stand exercise. Sit in a sturdy chair and stand up slowly without using your hands if possible. Sit back down slowly. Repeat 10 to 15 times. This simple move strengthens your quadriceps, hips, and core stability. Number 5. Heel and toe walking. Walk forward by placing one foot directly in front of the other, heel to toe. Then try walking on your heels and walking on your toes for a few steps. These exercises improve coordination and ankle strength, both critical for safe walking. Number 6. Step-up exercise. Use a low step or block. Step up with one foot, then bring the other foot up to join it. Step down and repeat for 10 reps each leg. This exercise builds hip, knee, and leg strength while improving balance and stability. Research is clear. Exercise is one of the most effective tools for preventing falls in seniors. It improves leg strength, balance, and mobility, while boosting confidence and independence. Always consult your doctor or physiotherapist before starting any new exercise routine. especially if you have health conditions or limited mobility.